Hi kids, let's learn colors name sky blue, purple, light green, orange, violet, yellow, blue, red, brown, green, pink and black color. Let's start. Kids, we will trace A, B, C, D, E, F. Let's start. This is letter A. A is for apple. Kids, we are tracing letter A. A is for alligator. Now we are tracing letter B. B for ball. Now we are tracing letter B. This is letter B. Kids, this is letter B. Kids, now we are tracing letter C. C for cat. Kids, this is letter C. C for car. This is letter D. D for dolphin. We are tracing letter D. This is letter D. Now kids, we are tracing letter E. E for elephant. We are tracing letter E. Kids, this is letter E. We are tracing letter F. F for fox. This is letter F. F for fox. Kids, read again. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. E for eagle. F for fox. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe.